Greetings, Patriots. This is Ms. Hodges here, and I am always excited about connecting with you guys virtually. So listen, guys, I know that a lot of us are getting used to having school at home. I'm doing the same thing with my child at home. It's not as easy. It can be a bit confusing and hard, to be honest with you, at times. But it doesn't have to be that way. With a clear understanding of the expectations and what to do to engage in workshop at home, it can be easy. So guys, today I want to teach you that writers continue to be successful writers away from school by making a home writing plan and sticking to it every day. So this is how home workshop will go. You will watch a pre-recorded mini lesson or engage in a live mini lesson. Then you will write for 10 minutes. You will stop, then read over and think about what you just wrote to make sure it makes sense. Then you will share with the partner that you chose for writing workshop. That will make sense to you once we get into that. After that, you will write for 10 minutes, 10 more minutes, making changes if you need to. So let's practice this. I want you to watch me as I make a plan for my writing workshop at home. First thing I need to do is think about who you are going to share your writing with. All right? Now that could be your mom, your dad, your sister, or your brother. Somebody's at home with you at all times, I'm sure, even if it's an older sister or brother. So you just need to choose who. So I actually, since I'm an adult, I chose my daughter to be my home writing partner. So anytime I write something down, I just get her to talk with me about my plan and to give me feedback. What I want you to do right now is I want you to pause this video and go find you a writing partner. I will be waiting on you when you get back. All you have to do is just press unpause. Great, you're back? All right, let's keep rolling. Then you need to think about when. When are you going to engage in writing workshop? Some people are morning people. They like to engage in the morning. Some people like to do it in the afternoon. That's like after 12 o'clock. And then some people like to do it once it starts getting a little darker. It just depends on how your mind works. We're all different. You get to choose, you have choices. So now I choose the afternoon. I just feel like after I've eaten a good breakfast and I've visited with my daughter to see what she's got going on with her assignments at home, then I'm better to do what I need to do. But that may be different from you. Go ahead and choose when you would like to engage in writing workshop. Unpause this video when you get back. Great, you're back. Now you need to think about where. Where are you going to engage? Is it going to be at your dining room table? Are you going to make that your little office? Is it going to be in your bed? Some people like to get comfy. Their brain works better. Is it going to be on your couch? Or is it going to be outside? You guys are children, and I can see you wanting to go outside. I'm not much of an outside person, but you may be. The important thing is you have choices and you get to choose where you're going to be. I want you to pause this video to go and find where you will have writing workshop. You're back? Great, let's keep rolling. Now we're going to think about what. What are you going to write with? Or are you going to write with a pencil, like you would in school? Or are you going to write with colorful pens? Some people like their writing to be colorful. Are you going to write with a marker? It's fatter, but if that's all you have, then that's all you got. No excuses. Colored pencils. What I want you to do right now, I would probably choose a pen because I like colored pens, like my red one here. But what are you going to write with? Go ahead and pause this video. Go find something to write with during writing workshop and come back. Once you're back, unpause the video. I'll be here waiting for you. All right, you're back. Let's keep moving. Now you need to think about also what kind of paper will you use? Okay. Now you're at home and most of you guys probably do have like regular white writing paper, printing paper, I meant. And so you might want to write with that. That may be all you have in the house. Or you might want to write with this line paper, this regular loose leaf line paper. You may have grabbed a couple of writing paper, the writing choice paper from school. Or if you need some, we have some at the school that you can get. And lastly, you may have a writing composition journal that you can write in. Now, I like to write in this journal here, all right? But you may like to write in something else, or you may not have a lot of variety of paper choices at your home. That's the reason why you have choices. So what are you going to write with? I want you to pause this video and go find something to write on, okay? I'll be waiting on you when you get back. All right, good, you're back. So now that you have taken the time to go throughout your house and find the things that you are going to use during writing workshop, now it's time to write that plan down, okay? Because making a plan is half the battle. Now you got to write it down, all right? So who will you write with? Who will be your partner? Who will you share with your ideas? Go ahead and write it down on your paper. When will you watch the writing mini lessons and do your independent work? Is that the morning, afternoon, or is that the evening? Go ahead and write that down. You already have your plan. You've already chosen that. Just write it down for me. Where will you have your writing workshop? Is that outside? Is that on the couch? Is that in your bed? Is that at your kitchen table? Is that at your dining room table? You tell me. I just need you to write it down for me. And lastly, what will you write with? And what kind of paper will you use? You're already writing with what you chose, and you're already writing on the paper. But I just need you to write down on the paper what you're going to use. All right, so now you've made your plan, you've wrote down your plan. I think you're ready to be successful writers. So guys, I just want you to remember today and every day that you are going to use your home writing plan. You are going to watch a mini lesson, and after watching the writing mini lesson, you're going to write for 10 minutes. You're going to stop and then think about what you have written down, read over it, and make sure it makes sense. You're going to share with the partner that you chose for writing workshop, and then you're going to write for 10 more minutes, making changes if you need to. Guys, I think you're ready to go. I was a little worried at first, but I think now with clear expectations and a clear plan, you're ready to be successful. So as always, off you go.